Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off setting restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone. And for example, I'm going to mention my another TikTok account on my post. So I'm going to create a post on TikTok. I'm just going to pick random photos from my device. I'm going to upload for example this photo, and I'm going to mention my another TikTok account. Wait, I'm going to mention my another TikTok account right here. I'm going to add text and I'm going to try to mention it. Wait. Okay, this is my second account on TikTok, and as you can see, we cannot mention this person due to the privacy setting, and I cannot mention the account on the command as well. I'm going to try it. I'm going to add command to this post. I'm going to try to mention my second account. Okay, as you can see guys that we cannot mention this account, and I'm going to show you how we can fix this problem. I'm going to go to my second account guys. Okay, and I'm going to set the privacy, this one. Okay, we can go to the privacy setting, go to the profile first and click on the three lines, and then select the settings and privacy. In these settings and privacy, we need to go to the privacy and make sure you allow mention from everyone. Okay, you can select everyone, so everyone on the TikTok can mention your account, or you can also choose friends as well. Okay, and after that, the setting restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy will be turned off and will be able to be mentioned by everyone on TikTok. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn off settings restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.